Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash haul lookbook from the company Dollar Lash Club. So I've never really bought like a ton of lashes from like a specific place. I've been like looking at like Sephora, buying like Fanola lashes, or like I like started off with Ardell, and then I realized this company is actually Vancouver based, so I was like, okay, like why not? Surprisingly, I'm very like pleased with their lashes. I had my doubts for sure because I've never like spent so much on lashes before, but overall like I'm pretty impressed, and I will show you which lashes that I got from them and just trying it on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. So first lash, these are the Caitlyn lashes. They're very more like curly, very short. I definitely wanted these lashes because they're very natural. These are what they look like on me. More of a natural look, but they're definitely like super curly, so that's what I like about them. These are the Lexi lashes. They're more of a like very natural, all over the place. And they're very like spread out and puffy. These are definitely like more of a glam lash. But I definitely like how they like stay up on their own rather than like having to like really open my eyes that you can see them. Fluffy. Very like, you can definitely tell if you go like take a photo from far away that you're wearing lashes. These are the Robin lashes. They are a little similar to the Lexi's, but these are more even, like the lengthwise. Definitely curly as well. I find that all of their lashes are pretty curly. So as you can see, these are more fuller, more like even, and just like, I would say like good for like everyday, like casual day or even evening. Very like universal. And these are the last lashes. These are the Sidney lash. I've yet to test these out, so I'm pretty excited. These are definitely very full and spread out. Definitely longer for sure. I definitely really like how these are really full and they like cover my whole eye with like lashes. So overall, my favorite lashes would be the Lexi and the Sidney, which is these ones. I think I just like them more because they're different than what I usually have. Like the Caitlyn's and the Robins are like everyday lashes that I kind of already own, and I never really ventured out into like more glam lashes like these. So I definitely learned something new about what I like, and I would highly recommend their lashes because I feel like they last like very long if you could take good care of it. And they're actually really decent pricing compared to like the ones you can buy at Sephora. But these ones I can definitely see myself like keeping them for at least like months. Like I do take like the glue off of them every single time I wear them. So I do take good care of my lashes. And I think you guys should definitely try it out and see what you guys think. But if you guys do want a discount code, I will leave my discount code down below. It will give you 10% off, which is not bad. So definitely comment below to see which lashes that you like the best. And thanks for watching my review, and I will see you guys next time.